This is one of the worst leader knots on the planet, and you're probably using it without even knowing it. Take the end of your braid and the end of your leader and place them parallel to each other, like this. Now form a loop with the end of your leader, like this, and now wrap this tag end around both these lines 4 times. Now pull on both ends of the leader to tighten, and do the same thing with the braid side. Then pull both sides so the knots come together, and now you have a knot weaker than dollar store toilet paper. Here's a stronger knot that's just as easy to tie. Take the end of your leader and fold it in half, forming a loop. Now take your braided line and pass it through the back side of this loop. Pull about 8 inches of line through. Now take your middle finger and pass it through this loop so that you can keep tension on the braid and the leader. Now take the braid and wrap it behind and around 7 times. Once you get to this point, take your left hand and pinch that last wrap. Now wrap this braid back over these wraps 7 times, making a bunch of crisscrosses. Once you get to this point, you can pinch all of these wraps in your left hand and release tension. And this next part's important. See how this main line is coming out the back side of this loop? Well, you want your tag end to come out the same direction. So we're gonna place the tag end through the top of the loop. So now as you can see, these are both coming out the same side of that loop. Now I'm gonna pull all 4 lines to tighten this up a bit. Now you're gonna pull very hard on both sides. Once it's nice and tight like this, take the braid tag end and tie 3 overhand knots around the main line. Now just trim your tag ends.